Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video we will do how to delete the particular post. So we'll try to do that one. Now if you go here, where can we add the delete post? So in the single post.component.html only we can add the single post. So let's try to go to the single post.component.html, and here only I will add the delete post also. So don't bother about the design. So design is not the matter. Now here I need to delete on delete post. Okay, and let's try to take the post details also. So on delete post, let's try to take this on delete post, and here what I will try to do here, single post.component.html and single post.component.ps file, and here what I will do is, so here on delete post, and we will be getting the post details. So here I will be keeping something like if confirm. Okay, I will add, are you sure you want to delete, something like confirmation message. We will try to add it, and if it is true means, then what I need to do, I need to call this dot post service, this dot post service dot delete post, and I need to send the post details. So it is of type iPost, right? So it is of type iPost and delete post. So we don't have a method for the delete post. Let's go to jump to the declarative post.service.ts. So here you will be having the all the methods related to, where I can say add post, update post, right? And in the same scenario we will be having another method, there's something like delete post, and I will add it here iPost. So here what I can do, this dot post crud subject dot next of, so here the action is now delete, right? So here the action is add, update, delete. Now here the last one is the delete, and we need to send the data of type post. That's it. So now everything is there with us. So action, delete, data, post. Now hope yeah, here what we need to do now, let's go to the top, and when this CRUD action is merge will be in, when this CRUD action is in sending the data means subject got the data, this merge will be invoked, and here this dot save post is there. So let's go to the save post. Save post has to save the post accordingly, and now here we got another one, something like if post action dot action is equal to delete. So if it is of type delete, then what we need to do here, we need to create post details dollar is equal to this dot delete post to server. Okay, so we need to delete the post. So here I will be sending post action dot data. Okay, so that's it, done. Now let's try to do here. Yeah, so done. So delete post to server. So we need to have this delete post server. So if you want to get this categories also, no problem, or otherwise you can directly return it here. So there is no need to get the categories, right, when deleting. So delete post to server, and here you will be having the post of type iPost. Okay, so you need to delete post to server means just try to copy this one as it is. Okay, and delete post to server. So here I will try to return it. So this one is, so delete. So you need to call the delete. So this one will not send anything. So let's hope we don't want anything actually. So post slash, and we need to have, so which ID I want to delete, post dot id, and there will be no need for us to send any data. Okay, so that's it, and also there is no need for us to send anything, and this one will return. And here what I will try to do is, so delete post here, right? And in this one what I can do is dot pipe of post. So we got the post, and here directly instead of doing this one, so I can directly return it here. So post pipe of map of post. So you will be getting something like post or anything, whatever the thing. So you want to send post action. Okay, post action dot data, so that you can send the post details. So post action is there, post action dot data, that's it. So now you got the data here. So this one, so this dot modify post. So here you need to modify the post. here you will get an option such that if value dot action is equal to delete. If it is a delete means, then what we need to do, we need to filter it out. So how can I filter it out? So let's try to copy this one all, or otherwise let's try to write it, return post dot filter. Okay, so post dot filter. So what is the, I need to filter it out, the post. Okay, post dot id is not equal to value dot data dot id. So whoever the thing it is not equal, so that is that one we need to filter it out. So that's it, completed. Delete is also done. So what we have did, so we are sending the delete post from the single post dot component dot ts. So here we are sending the delete. So let's try to import this iPost so that we don't get any error. Yeah, is it imported or not? Yeah, iPost is imported. So yeah, we are not getting any error. So if it is confirm means, so we will be calling this delete post method in the service.ts, and in this delete post what it will try to do, it will try to invoke the subject, so sending that action as a delete and the post details. And here when this subject is invoked means, so this merge will invoke, and this CRUD action it will try to save the post. Save the post means nothing but whatever the thing it want to do. So either you want to do add, update or delete, it has to do the delete, right? So it will try to delete the post to server, and it will try to send the data here, and everything will be done. Scan modify post means modify post according to that one. So whether it need to update, delete or add, update, delete, so whatever the thing it want to do, it will do it automatically. So this is how we will be doing. And now let's try to see the output. So here we are able to see update post and delete post, and I will try to click on the delete post, and we are able to get that. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, I want to delete. Automatically it got deleted. See what is this? So we are able to see another one, and if I try to refresh it, we are able to get it or not. So it is successfully deleted from the database. So now for example Leela Electrical, I want to delete this post. Yeah, you can delete it. Okay, so automatically here also it got deleted, and here also it got deleted. And if we try to refresh it, Leela Electrical also will be get deleted automatically from the database also. So if I want to delete Hi Leela also, I am able to delete it, I think. Hopefully we'll see what is the response we are getting. I don't know what could be the response we will be getting here. 200 successful, and we are getting preview as null. So there is no need for us to take care of that one. So that's it. So hopefully we have did everything using the declarative reactive programming, add post, update post and also delete post without any routing. You need to understand that without any routing, here everything comes under add post, and if you want to go here update post and like this delete post. So everything, so we have did on the click actions, event based actions we have did it. So now if it is a route based action, so if it is a route based means, then how can we do that one? So let's try to do it in the declarative post here. So add means, so they will be having a separate routing so that it will go to a separate page. You will try to add the post, and you need to come back here and here update and delete also in the same way. Okay, so let's try to do that one in the route based in the next videos. So hope you understood about this add, update and delete. So most probably we will be using the same logic only. We will be using the code. So there will be nothing much writing the code here. So little bit of so logic we will be writing. That's it. So most probably the code whatever writing here, add, update, delete will be the same format. Okay, hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.